Kubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Tnad District Medical and Health Officer West Giant Hills jengkat ke jingatrai lang Tnad Department of Ayush kila Kynmaw Burom ya ke wall Homeopathy Day halor kepang Homeopathy Roadmap for Integrative Medicine ya ke jingat lang ke belapanya ya ke Dr. Bisol Lindhar lapan long ha yung wali ke pepali ha ke jingat dan lang ke Kongsan ke Kong di Sengai ADC West Giant Hills District ha ke sing sejan ya kan ni kasingi la Kynmaw Burom ru kum kasingi kha ba arspa hundrep hundriu jong Dr. Samuel Hahnemann walong nong sedang ningkong ya ka jing ada wai homeopathy ha ka prathei u DMNHO u Dr. KC Ajar ha ka jing kran ulong ka rukom sumar homeopathy ka dai kabla rem bat ka bayarap ba ya kipat ba habaro kilang wala ka long jing sumar ka pasimpor ka di singai ha ka jing kran kala kentu ya ki doktor men batang ya ki kam joki ba ajing mentoy kipat ba Kakirman scam banang ni syakamat anla ban aji sumar ya kijing pang kiba kadawai alupathy kimla ban sumar.
Additional Deputy Commissioner could be with us at this time. This day is being celebrated worldwide to commemorate the 266th birthday of Dr. Christian Samuel Frederick Hahnemann.
So I think most of us, although yes, we do take allopathic medicine, we do consult allopathic doctors, but at some point of time or the other in our lives, we have all had homeopathic medicine, we have consulted homeopathic doctors, and I can say like from my personal experience also, right from when I was a child, up to now also, even for my children also, there are some diseases to which I have reverted back to consulting a homeopathic doctor, and in some cases, I have found that homeopathic medicine is efficient, its efficacy.
This led him to search for a new method of treatment, which is homeopathy. Homeopathy is a recent treatment which dated just 200 years back. Dan aspa-asna mencuat, it's a recent treatment. Hepor Dr. Hahnemann, kecak pengelai Dr. Hahnemann, Germany.
Is basically an approach that puts the patient at the center and addresses the full range of the physical, mental, social, emotional, spiritual, and even the environment influence that could affect a person's health.